Tractor Mac Tune-Up by Billy Steers. Tractor Mac was always a smooth-running, healthy tractor. The even sound of his engine could be heard in the fields from dawn till dusk. Chugga, 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 chugga. He never missed a day of work at the Stony Meadow farm. One day, while pulling a heavy load, Tractor Mac felt a pain and a pang, and he heard a ping and a bang. Chunk-a clunk, chunk-a clank, chunk-a clunk. That doesn't sound so good, exclaimed Farmer Bill. It doesn't feel so good either, thought Tractor Mac. That sounds like more than I can fix out here, said Farmer Bill, climbing down from the big red tractor. I better call Lou, the tractor doctor. Dr. Lou stopped by that afternoon. I've never felt like this before, Mac told his friend Sibley, the workhorse. Said Dr. Lou as he listened to Tractor Mac and checked his engine. This is serious, Farmer Bill, said Dr. Lou. It could be worn bearings or a bent connecting rod. You should bring Tractor Mac to my shop tomorrow. I don't want to go to the hospital, he groaned to his friends that evening. What if I can't be fixed? What if they sell me for parts? Why does this have to happen to me? Tractor Mac looks pretty worried. Don't worry, Tractor Mac. You'll be okay, mooed Margot the cow. We want to see you get better, clucked Carla the chicken. I'll give you my lucky horseshoe, said Sibley. You can have my 4-leaf clover for good luck, said Sam the ram. The next day, Farmer Bill brought Tractor Mac to Dr. Lou's tractor clinic. You'll be back to work soon, said Farmer Bill. Tractors lined the yard of the clinic. There were types of tractors that Mac had never seen before. Bring 'em right in, Dr. Lou said to Farmer Bill. You've got nothing to worry about, wheezed a giant tractor on steel wheels. Gus is always right, said the little riding mower. My name is Gasket. We've been here a long time, but you're a work tractor. You get to be fixed up first. Tractor Mac was wheeled into a clean workroom. Dr. Lou and his helper Steve checked their tools and they went straight to work. Mac's oil was drained and his hood was removed. The valve cover and the cylinder head lifted off, and then the pistons and the rings were checked and repaired. The sleeves and the connecting rods were checked, and the engine block, the oil pump, and the crankshaft were inspected. Replace, repair, and rebuild and re-grease. Tractor Mac was then given a full tune-up with new spark plugs and new wires. You sound much better now, chuckled Gasket. It's back to work for you, puffed Gus. Tractor Mac smiled. I do feel much better, thanks. He'll make a full recovery, beamed Dr. Lou. What a good patient he was. Farmer Bill was happy to hear Mac's smooth chugga 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 again. Tractor Mac was soon back at work. "That's a healthy tractor," cackled Carla. "A real trooper," said Sam the ram. "I love the sound of a well-tuned tractor," mooed Margot the cow. Late that summer, Tractor Mac saw Gus and Gasket at the farm show. "Dr. Lou fixed you," said Mac. "You're just like new." "I'm better than new," exclaimed Gasket. "I'm fit as a fiddle in my working clothes," said Gus. "Hooray for tractor fixers!" cheered Tractor Mac. Hooray for the tractor fixers. And that's Tractor Mac Tune-Up.